Okay. Hi. We have our Boxycharm Luxe box for March. I already picked, so I'm just gonna dive right in, starting with this big boy. We have a little card that says whatever we got in the box and the prices. So we're gonna follow through with this. This is the Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. It helps reduce the appearance of cellulite through moisture and massage. Caffeinated for perky skin. I guess it's supposed to like get your butt tight. So what it looks like. What it looks like, you can actually use this when the product is finished to like drink coffee or whatever. It's reusable. Damn, these nails. This actually smells really good, really sweet. And this retails for $19.95. And moving on, we have some sort of brush or whatever. I don't really like brushes in my boxes because like I could buy myself a hairbrush. What I need is some makeup brushes. So this is it. Some oval brush, whatever. I just hope it don't fall apart. My hair is really tough. And this is from Aria Beauty Luxe Oval Detangling Brush. It retails for $34.99, which I'll never buy in my right mind. But hey, always feels good to get stuff like this in our boxes. And then we have by Dry Bar Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. It says that meet the ultimate freeze fighter. Heat activated technology wraps an invisible shield around each hair strand to provide freeze resistant, leaves a super glossy, silky, flattering sheer baby pink shade. Oh my god, like just gonna spray it in the air. Oh. Oh my god, it doesn't smell that bad, but I don't think that I'm gonna use it because my hair funny, so I'm not gonna use that. And it retails for $34, you guys. Okay, moving on. Shoot, my light just went off. Like, come on now. Okay, we have this palette by Natasha Denona. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to do like a swatch of this color right here, this one, just to show you. It's not that pigmented, but it looks like it's going to be good for a build-up, you know. And this Natasha Denona palette is cost 48 bucks. 48 bucks. Wow, this is crazy. And then we have this iconic London multi-use sculpting palette. This is supposed to be like this creamy palette. Ooh, it's pretty. It's really nice. It's really nice. Oops. So looks like this, and it's creamy. It's creamy, as you can see. So I guess we can use this for like contouring and so on. As it says sculpting, so it's like, yeah, we can use it to contour. Let me just wipe this off of my fingertip. And this cost $49. Yeah. And moving on, we have Stay Calm Smoothing Sheet Mask by Give Me Lala Skin. There's 4 sheet masks in there. I might use them because I actually love sheet masks. So I might just try it out. Oh, and this sheet mask cost $30. The next thing we have here is by Lawless Beauty. This is Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. I don't like lip plumping glosses because my lips are already full. So this is what it looks like. I wonder how it smells though. Ooh, the applicator is dope. It smells like smells like roses. It smells really nice. But the point about plumping, I may not use it. So and it retails for $25. The last thing in the box, yeah, because the box is empty right now. So the last thing in the box is by Ren Clean Skincare Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Now I know someone that has dark circles, and this was one of our Luxe choices. I chose it just because I knew that person had some dark spots. Not dark spot, what the fuck? Dark circles. Damn. Come on now. So I chose it just so I can give it to them. So this one wasn't really for me. It cost $49 for this little thing. $49. It's crazy. All in all, I always love Boxycharm. I think that Boxycharm is the most delightful and fun subscription box out there. So be sure to subscribe to Boxycharm. You can go on boxycharm.com, or you can go to my Instagram and click the link and subscribe to our Luxe box, to the premium box, and the base box. You will be surprised every time you get your boxes. So welcome to the Boxy fam. See you guys.